GBPJPY has shown a strong bullish trend following an Elliott Wave impulse pattern. After a sharp rise in Wave 1 to 189.82, the pair corrected in Wave 2, then surged to 196.84 in Wave 3. A Wave 4 zigzag correction followed, and now Wave 5 is underway. Wave I reached 196.7. Wave I pulled back to 196.09, and Wave 3 extended to 198.19. A small correction is expected before a final push higher to complete Wave I of 5. After this, a larger correction in Wave I2 is anticipated, providing traders with an opportunity to reassess the market. Understanding these waves helps in predicting GBPJPY's future moves. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.